Ford Mustang Mach 1 R code, so 428 Cobra Jet powered. 63C body code, so this is a true Mach 1, nicely equipped also. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. Chrome front bumper, grille, chin spoiler, headlight surrounds. All looking in good shape. And how about that shaker hood? Cobra Jet insignia on it. Nice flat black paint with Gulfstream Aqua. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. So we take a look down the passenger side of this car. You can see how straight those panels are. Little tough on this color sometimes to get the exact shade of the aqua. It wants to wash it out to blue a little bit. If I step back a little bit, that gets you pretty close right there. But sometimes a little more aqua in person than the blue you see. Of course, the Mach 1 interior, going to be the black Mach 1, knitted vinyl interior. C6 automatic behind that 428 Cobra Jet. Flat black louvers. Great look on any of these era fastback Mustangs. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As you can see, rear bumper and chrome bright work. Just as nice as the front. Ford 9-inch rear end, FYI. And you can see that underside picture of the rear diff and the rest of the pans and engine bay, trunk, interior. Still pictures can all be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Let's take a look up and down the driver's side here. We're going to fire it up, let you hear it run, check out the engine bay. Again, 428 Cobra Jet R code, C6 automatic, power steering, power brakes, AC compressor, turns on and off, blows cold. Door panels, of course, you'll be able to check out the door tag. That will be in the still pictures. Take a peek at that. Picture of the VIN. Any of the decoding that you would like to do, feel free. All right. Take a look at the gauges there. You can kind of see them. It's tough with the glare. Sorry about that, but alternator to the center is working. That was a cold start, so the temp gauge over here is going to move. Oil pressure, you can see, came up. And it looks like fuel gauge between an eighth and a quarter. Odometer reads 48,141. Unfortunately, once the car becomes a certain age, the miles are marked exempt in the title, so it's tough to confirm or deny. But obviously, this car has had a thorough restoration process to it. Radio does work, had that working, wipers work. Wait till you see the engine bay. See what I mean for the restoration, the nice work done in this car, paint, interior. Door closes nicely. Oh, listen to that. This one will turn some heads with its looks and the way it sounds, no doubt about that. Let me get these hood pins out, get the hood open. Let's take a look at that Cobra Jet underneath there. Look at this. Finished off as nicely as the exterior of the car. There it is. That R code. And you can see the AC has been converted there also. And again, that does blow cold. I have the compressor kicking on off. Does blow cold. Power steering, power brakes. A what a nice looking engine bay.
This is a 1969 Ford Mustang. Take it for a drive. It's going to be high of about 30 degrees today in Minnesota. Our left and right turn signal indicators work.
Domino's is hiring for Mankato.
Our radio works. Blower motor does work. Got good acceleration. Temp gauge is reading close to cold, but it's slowly warming up. Our fuel gauge is at 1/8. Alternator gauge is right in the middle. Oil pressure is 3/4 up the gauge. Our corner's good. It goes nice and straight down the road. Little vibration from the center console tray. There is some wind noise because it is so cold and blustery today. No extraordinary vibrations or shakes. Brakes work very good. And it brakes straight. Windshield wipers work.
1969 Ford Mustang Mach 1 428 Cobra Jet R code. What a beauty. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call Intercept.